Hi guys, here is Bielsin. Today I will introduce this 10.1 inch IPS touchscreen special for Universal. Okay, you can check UI interface, you can choose time, you can choose logo, and check setting. You can check BSC is a manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose other logo, level back to home, BMW, and you also can choose other logo. Nissan. You can change this theme editor. Change blue, gray, and other with gray. Okay. You also can change this button color. Elements: red, gray, blue, white. Okay. Let me change back with red and back the BLC logo. Theme editor with red. Okay, let me introduce Carplay and Android Auto. This head unit built-in DSP amplifier. This DSP amplifier, you can check this bus, this sub control volume. You can adjust this speaker drive. You can change this dB like this panel. You can change. Okay, this amplifier. Let me introduce adapter. You can check this adapter Carplay from us, Android and Carplay. Can check their adapter and use menu. This is instruction menu. Okay, you can check this Android Auto and iPhone Carplay. Okay, this adapter, USB adapter. You can buy it from us. There are two USB cable or USB ports. It's AutoKit USB adapter. Okay, and you need to install the AutoKit. There are two USB cable from back of head unit. There is USB driver. When you connect it, the head unit will play music automatically. Okay, you need to install the AutoKit APK from USB. You can this AutoKit, you can get it from us. Visit our website blc.com to download this APK. When you open it, please click below. There plug and play. There are three working mode: speed, fluently, compatible. Okay, plug and play. Let me introduce Android Auto at first. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me open. Okay. you can check this Galaxy S8 home screen. You need to install Android Auto in your phone. Let me check phone, but phone. You can check Galaxy S8 Plus. Info in Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, you can check the schedule units. PX5 octa-core Android version also Oreo system. Okay, let me back to home. Let me connect the one of USB. This is AutoKit adapter. Connected. Okay. There we'll get the message. You please click OK. Okay. You need the original USB from Samsung. Must the factory original USB. Okay. Let me connect USB. Connected. Okay, this is my phone. Connect USB. Okay, it will show connecting. Okay, working with Android Auto. Okay, this home screen you can play music. You can make phone call. Home. You can play music from Google Play Music, Pandora, and other. Okay, that's all. This is Android Auto. Let me introduce the Carplay. Okay, this is my phone. Let me open the phone. This is iPhone XS. Okay, open the phone. This Siri must enable this Siri. Okay, General. Software information, you can check this ROS 12.1 version. Okay. You must use the original USB cable from Apple. This USB. Let me connect the adapter. Okay. It's working with the speed, working mode speed. It shows connecting. Okay, it work with Carplay. Okay, you have fun music, maps, message, video play, and the other application you can install the firmware display. There no the USB music. Okay, this is maps. Okay, it's home screen. Okay, this is Carplay. Okay, let me disconnect. If you have any more questions, just contact to us. You'll see. Okay, this is Carplay and Android Auto. Okay, that's all. Thank you.